What's that?
No. It's we're from where you're from.
I'm moving. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Silverdale.
You're from Silverdale, Washington State. Yeah, sure. I do live in Washington State.
I know you live in Olympia.
Oh, God.
What else the fuck do you know, lady?
I don't like it.
What's that?
I said I like it.
You like it? Okay. We're gonna wrap up the audience interaction. I feel like this video is gonna play in a courtroom someday. I know your social security number. I just learned your mother's maiden name. Our safe word is Silverdale. Do you live here now?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not.
I don't think you can get a multi-state restraining order, but we'll see. Sorry, lady. East of the Mississippi. I appreciate you coming. I appreciate that.
I love you.
This isn't the first time in my life I've said to a woman, I appreciate you coming. And also not the first time they responded, I love you. Yet this feels much different. Silverdale. Silverdale!